Here is the famous videos where you can see this guy Acid Rain 987 aka Boss Shaolin aka Evil Shaolin aka Polyestar. He's gonna cheat his points. He was at 9,697 points, and like you can see, I was just checking the leaderboard because I know how to snipe my people, so I know who was playing of no. And from there, I was just checking, and I've been sure anyway he's gonna do it because every month he editing his points. There is it, 35. You see, there he's playing. Okay, I go above to check. Only Simply Jobber is playing, only him, and another one. Days one was playing. There was the two who was online playing, so nobody else was playing. And as you can see, I can back to my guy to see if he move. You see, he move. He was 35. He move. Okay. No, he move. Where did he go? Let's see above. So the guy disappeared. Don't know. I don't find him. I don't find him. Oh wait, where is he? Wait. I don't find him. Okay. No, I see. Like you can see, guys, he made like 2,436 points in 30 seconds. He knows what he's doing. It's not the first time. It's time to bind this guy, please, Microsoft.
They need rappers like me. They need rappers like me, so they can get on their fucking keyboards and make me the bad guy, Chung Lee.